Colchester Zoo closes its gates at 5 every evening, but keepers say the animals don't stay quiet for long. A few years ago, night staff began reporting strange noises over the radios. Not static, but the sound of animal calls echoing through the speakers, from enclosures that were completely empty. At first they thought it was feedback, until one recording captured something different, a voice mimicking the sounds back. It growled, then hissed, then whispered the keeper's own name. When they played it back the next day, the file was corrupted. Just silence, followed by a faint breath at the end. A week later, one of the radios turned itself on after hours, transmitting from a channel that doesn't exist on the zoo's frequency list. Now every night around 12:47 a.m., the radios still crackle to life on their own, and sometimes you can hear that same voice repeating the last word it ever said, quietly, right behind whoever's holding it.